Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie from Rebelalchemy. Today we will be continuing with the next installment in the Chakra series, where we'll be looking at the heart chakra, including the pathology and diseases that manifest when the heart chakra is blocked, excessive or deficient. Just a reminder, if you haven't already checked out the other videos in the series, you might want to do that first, or if you're uncertain as to what the chakras are, then please take a look at the beginner's guide, which will give you an overview as to what the chakras do and how they function in the body. Before I get started, please remember to hit the like, share and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so that you don't miss any future uploads. The heart chakra is also known as the fourth chakra, and just as you would expect, you can find it located in the center of your chest, but it's not the same as the physical heart. It's symbolized by the colors green and pink, but predominantly green, and it's associated with the element of air and the sense of tact, and it's also represented by the musical note of F. The heart chakra is regarded as being even more significant than the brain, as it's the epicenter of the body's energetic system and produces more power than the brain. It acts as the bridge between the first three lower chakras, which govern the body and how we interrelate with other people and the earth, and the upper three chakras, which govern the spirit and our connection to consciousness. It's also the home of the higher self, our soul or spirit. It represents our basic right to love and to be loved. Needless to say, it symbolizes love, as well as trust, compassion, peace, joy, relationships, beauty, truth, wisdom, harmony, intimacy, and giving and receiving. It's also the integration between the feminine and masculine aspects, as all humans are a combination of feminine and masculine attributes. The heart chakra is also where clairsentience and claircognizance stem from. Clairsentience is when you feel things, such as picking up on other people's emotions, or when you feel changes in the energy around you. And claircognizance is an innate sense of knowing, when you have an unequivocal and unfaltering sense about something or someone. Within the 7-year cycles, the heart chakra influences the age range of 21 to 28 years. In the physical body, the heart chakra governs the heart and also our lungs, the thymus gland, our immune system, the breasts, shoulders, ribs, diaphragm, and also our arms and hands. It also controls the circulatory system, including the veins, arteries, and the lymphatic system. When the heart chakra is balanced and healthy, it represents compassion, empathy, forgiveness, honesty, being loving, self-acceptance, self-love, acceptance of others, and good relationships. It also symbolizes someone who lives in the present moment and who is living their truth. When the heart chakra is blocked or out of balance, the following emotional or behavioral issues can arise, such as narcissism, jealousy, possessiveness, mistrust, codependency, bitterness. You may also lack empathy. You might be critical, judgmental, discontented, lonely, and shy. You may also be cold, demanding, clingy, antisocial, and intolerant. You may be withdrawn and expect to receive conditional love. You may have a fear of relationships, a fear of loss, and a fear of intimacy. You may also display anger towards oneself and have obsessive behavior and thoughts. Imbalances in the heart chakra may stem from death or the loss of a loved one, divorce, betrayal, grief, hurt, rejection, abandonment, and it can also reflect abuse. As for the usual disclaimer, do not freak out if you identify with any of the traits mentioned. We all have some negative aspects within our personalities, but clearly, if any of the traits mentioned are dominating your personality, then this will indicate a blockage or imbalance that you need to resolve. With regards to the pathology and diseases that derive from imbalances in the heart chakra, this can manifest as asthma, allergies, respiratory issues, heart failure, heart attack and arrhythmia. You may also have immune disorders, circulatory issues, tension in the upper back, lung cancer, breast cancer and bronchopneumonia. If you wanted to work on balancing your heart chakra, there's a few things that you can do, such as breathing exercises. Remember that the heart chakra represents the element of air, so breath work is great for opening up the heart chakra. In general, we tend to breathe quite shallow, so deep breathing and practices like pranayama are very beneficial. You can also work with crystals. Green and pink crystals correspond with the heart chakra, like rose quartz, kunzite, aventurine, emerald and pink tourmaline. You can try yoga. Bhakti yoga corresponds with the heart chakra. You can work with essential oils such as rose otto, melissa, patchouli and benzoin. You can wear green clothing and you can try expressing gratitude for things that you are grateful for in your life. Lastly, if you do have a chronic ailment, it is recommended that you seek some form of energy healing in the first instance, as you need to push back on as much of the disease as possible before you revert to the maintenance techniques, which you can then use on a daily basis to keep your chakras in good health and balance. So that's it, guys. Please stay tuned for the next video on the throat chakra, where we'll take a look at the pathology and diseases that manifest when the throat chakra is blocked or out of alignment. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you would like to support the channel, then you can find the details in the drop down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.